Hello guys! Today we make delicious cinnamon waffles. For this we need cinnamon, vanilla, sugar, butter, flour, a little bit honey and eggs. That's my cooking book. That's already full of nice recepts from the whole world. I cook wherever I am. Flour, sugar, butter, 1 full egg and 2 yellow eggs, vanilla and 20 grams of cinnamon, baking powder, and who wants can add some honey. Give a little bit nice taste. The dough is ready, and you see it's a heavy dough. It doesn't come out smoothly. You need a lot of muskets sometimes in the kitchen. Don't laugh. It's like this. Seriously, I don't understand why the most of cooks are so fat.
They do?
They're fat.
They are.
Yeah, but why? They have to work. When they work, they don't have to eat. So my dough is ready. You see, it's very nice dough. And now also, like by the biscottis, we make small. Oh no, this is too big. We make small balls. It's a different structure from the biscottis. So now we have the balls and we put it in the waffle makers. And I choose one which have very nice structure. So then it's not only nice taste, it's also nice
Design?
design.
Okay.
Yes. So we put it like this.
Which design do you like?
All. It's so unique.
Okay.
You know, I like unique things. So what's come out, you can remove. Because my board was a bit big. So you have to let it for a while,
Yeah.
up to it's brown.
So the waffle maker looks like it is squeezing them and giving them the shape, right?
Yes.
And also doing what? Because it's hot.
Yeah, that's make it rare. Rare? It's correct? No, it's not correct. Let's bake them.
It bakes them, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's bake the dough.
Alright. The smell! Oh, the smell! It's smelling good.
It's really like cinnamon waffles, right? You go in the market and
You want to stay there.
yes, you want to eat all.
Oh,
Honey, it smells like honey, vanilla and cinnamon. Correct?
yeah.
So it's a little bit light. So now we have waited long time. We have smell odors and we come to the end. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, we have our waffles here now. Look at this.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
So nice. You can break them up, but if you can break them when it's cold. It's too hard. Okay, we wait a few minutes.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Now it's a bit cooled down. It looks very, very nice. Look at this. Very nice structure. That's what is my favorite. It's all nice. But I want like when you test one.
I like this one.
This one?
This one that has a tree.
It's a tree.
Is it?
The tree is just one.
Yeah.
Then please.
Yeah, let me eat that tree. I can't even describe how tasty it is.
So nice.
Yes.
Okay. No one can say they don't want it.
Yeah.